How to change the wax filters of Widex hearing aids, also called Widex NanoCare. Here we have a nice new Widex Allure receiver in the canal style hearing aid, and this is our packet of the Widex wax filters. The first step is to take off the dome. You hold the base of the receiver with a firm grip, pinch the edge of the dome and peel over. Now, upon visual inspection of the tip of the filter, you won't always see any debris or wax. Often it sits as a little blob behind a little gauze plate. So what I need to do to swap over this little white wax filter is split the NanoCare in half, open the packet, take out one of these little sticks, and there's our fresh wax filter. And on the opposite side there's a little barb to click in and pull out the existing filter. So we take hold of the base of the receiver, we line up the barb nice and straight, push directly in, pull directly away, and it takes it out. We need to put a fresh filter in, so flip it over 180 degrees, line it up nice and straight again. You simply push, pull away, and it leaves the fresh wax filter behind. Let's put our dome back on. So we hold the base of the receiver. I like to put the dome on a table, pick it up by the very tip. You'll see there's a little socket in the middle. Line it up nice and straight, force it over, and it should just fold over. Give it a bit of a twist just to make sure it's firmly secured on there. And there we have it. I've put a fresh filter on, fresh wax filter and new dome.
Harmony, harmony.